The Merthyr Tydfil Borough Youth Forum is a truly extraordinary experience for all young people across the borough. It's inclusive and we involve as many people as we can. As part of the Merthyr Youth Forum, we've managed to secure different projects, including a domestic abuse project. We've also done a mental health toolkit and a mental health video, including a mental health song.
We get loads of training. We've had young people say training, we've had UNCRC. We get to find out sort of what issues young people think are the most pertinent in Merthyr Tydfil, which is very important. But it's also a bit of fun. We go on residentials, even in the meetings when we go, even though they are sometimes serious, you'll have a brownie, you'll have a catch up with some friends that you've made, and it's just a nice atmosphere.